During this section, we're going to take a look at perhaps one of my favorite functions that is built into Microsoft Excel. It's one that I use all of the time. This one's called the if function. Now, I'm going to start out by describing the if function. We're going to take a look at the function argument window. We'll see what the different pieces are and how you're going to work with it and really what it does for you. And then we'll put it into practice, and we're going to combine it with a little bit of a name range as well, so we can see those name ranges in action. Let's take a look. So first off, the big scenario. I'm still on the if function worksheet. Same one we were working with the name ranges. Now inside of here, we've got this H column. Was the goal met? I want to know for each salesperson, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales individuals here. I want to know whether or not they met the goal. So taking a look at the worksheet here, how are we going to determine that? What's the goal? How do we know if the salesperson has met that goal? Well, here, let's pick up H5 first. Was the goal met? This is for H. James. I want to know if H. James's total, this is the F column here, if H. James's total has met or exceeded the monthly goal, the contents of cell I2. Did H. James make it? If so, if H. James has met or exceeded the 34,000, which H. James has, then yes, H. James has met the goal. K done. What is that? F6 did not meet the goal, right? So no goal there, and so on and so on. Now we only got 5 records here, right? 5 salespeople. So it wouldn't be too hard to say yes, no, no, yes, yes, right? But what if you had hundreds or thousands of records? I want to be able to create a formula, create it once, put it inside a cell H5, get that one nailed down. Yes, H. James made it. Set up the condition, set up what we're looking for, set up the proper responses, either yes, they made it or no, they didn't. And then I want to copy that formula for all hundreds or thousands of records that I have. This is what the if does for us. Take a look. So I'm going to click into my cell H5. I'm going to do H. James first. Then I'm going to go to my formula tab. Inside the function library, I'm going to go into logical, and I'm going to go find if. And this will open up the argument window. So there's 3 different parts to the if function. 3 arguments or pieces of information that it needs in order to do its job. The first thing is the logical test, the condition. What is it that we're trying to determine? Well, in this case, we're looking at H. James again. I want to know if H. James's total has met or exceeded the I2 value. So for the logical test, I'll go grab F5, and I want to know if that was greater than or equal to, I'm just typing those symbols in, and I'm going to go grab I2. All right, that's our condition. If F5 is greater than or equal to I2. Cool. And I can see right here that already the if is telling me that that's true. So now the next thing I want to know is what happens? What if it's true? Then I'm just going to say yes. Bingo, you made it, right? You got the goal. If not, then I'll say no. I'm going to hit my tab key. I don't have another cell or a box to click into. I'll just hit tab there. Now you'll notice that Excel, around my yes and no, I didn't type this, I said yes or no, but they put quotes around it. This means it's a text value, it's a string value, it's an alphanumeric value, and this is literally what I want. I want that literal value, yes or no, depending on the outcome. So logical test, if F5 is greater than or equal to I2, true, yep, they did it, so they get back a yes, and I can see the results right there, yes. If not, if F5 was not greater than I2, then it would give me back the no, the false portion of the if statement or the if function. So like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. I love it so much because it does work for you. You specify the condition and tell it what to do based on that condition. If it's true, do this. If it's false, do this, and you're done. So I hit OK, and I've now got my yes. So try this one out. We're not done with it yet. There's more that I want to get into here, but nail that one down. Again, go to H5, formulas, logical, grab the if, and you can create your conditions right there. All right, try that out, and then we'll move into the next step.